Hey everyone! Today, I have something really exciting to share with you. What if I told you there's an AI that takes care of the small stuff for you? Imagine booking trips, scheduling Zoom meetings, checking your computer's performance, and even replying to emails, all without you lifting a finger. No typing, no clicking. Just tell it what you need and it gets it done. This is ChatLLM Computer Agent, not just another chatbot, but a real-time AI assistant that actually does the work for you. In this video, I'll show you how it works with real examples of how this AI can save you time, keep you organized, and simplify your day. From handling tasks to automating repetitive chores, this tool is designed to give you more freedom. So, if you're ready to see AI in action, let's dive in. Getting started. The first step is easy. Just log in. Click the link in the description and a new tab will open. If you already have an account, click Sign In. If you're new, click Get Started to create an account. Before you sign up, here's a bonus. It only costs $10 per month per user. That's half the price of ChatGPT, $20 a month, but with way more features. With Abacus, you get double the value for half the cost. Once you're in, let's explore Computer Agent. After signing in, you'll see the dashboard. Scroll to the bottom left and you'll find the Computer Agent feature. Now that we're inside, let's put it to the test with a powerful example. I'll enter a prompt. The AI will analyze your system by listing active processes and their resource usage. It checks CPU load, memory consumption, and running tasks to assess performance. If CPU or RAM usage is high, it may indicate heavy workloads or background apps consuming resources. The AI also evaluates disk activity and system temperature to detect potential slowdowns. Based on this data, it provides insights into system health, whether it's running optimally or needs attention. If issues arise, recommendations like closing unused apps or upgrading hardware may be suggested. This is just one example of what a computer agent can do. But let's push it further. This next example will blow your mind. Here is our next prompt. Generate a detailed summary of the latest trends in AI technology. AI is advancing rapidly, with key trends shaping its future. Generative AI is transforming content creation, enabling human-like text, image, and video generation. AI automation is streamlining industries by handling repetitive tasks in coding, customer service, and data analysis. Multimodal AI enhances virtual assistants by processing text, images, and speech together. I improve speed and privacy by running AI directly on devices. Ethical AI and regulations are gaining focus to ensure responsible usage. AI in healthcare is revolutionizing diagnostics and drug discovery. These trends show AI's increasing role in making technology smarter and more efficient. This is the true power of AI agents. For the last example, search for round-trip flights from New York to San Francisco, departing on April 25th and returning on May 25th. The AI agent can search for round-trip flights from New York to San Francisco for the selected dates: April 25th, departure, and May 25th, return. It scans multiple airlines, compares ticket prices, and finds the best available options based on cost, travel time, and airline preferences. The AI filters results for direct or layover flights, departure times, and even baggage policies. Instead of manually checking different websites, the AI delivers the best flight choices instantly, saving time and effort. This feature is perfect for travelers who want a hassle-free way to book flights quickly and efficiently. AI agents aren't science fiction. They're here right now. ChatLLM's Computer Agent is one of the most powerful AI tools I've ever used. and it completely transforms the way we interact with technology. It saves time, automates repetitive tasks, and works in real time. If you haven't tried this yet, I highly recommend checking it out. The link is in the description. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.